Okay, so now it's ready, thick and nice, but remember you have to keep stirring it occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Alright, okay, stay tuned for the continuation of what I'm going to do with it. Let's mix some strawberry sauce from frozen strawberry. Cook till tender. After cooling, then we're going to blend it. Hungry for some delicious food? Come cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. In a pot, the same pot, we're adding 3 tablespoons of butter and some other goodies. Let's pour the blended syrup, strawberry sauce syrup into the butter. Let's add some pure honey. Now that's a little bit of vanilla Madagascar vanilla syrup right here. Just a little bit that's left. I'm just adding it in here. Not a lot, it's optional, guys. Some paprika, not too much, smoked paprika, pumpkin spice, some vanilla, organic, cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon, ginger, ground ginger. Let's open the container so we get the ginger. Yep. This is allspice. And we want to mix everything together. Let's see how it tastes right now. Let's add a little bit more honey to give it a little bit more sweeter flavor. We want to achieve a sweet, spicy type of flavor. So this is my homemade pepper sauce. It's not very strong. That's the pepper sauce. That sauce I made for wings and different things. Then we want to add a pinch of sea salt. So I'm going to measure it in my hands. Oops, sea salt. Let's see what's going on here. Now we want to cook it on slow to reduce the liquid so it could form like a thicker syrupy type of texture. Alright, so we want to slant the cover. The reason why I'm covering it is because it's going to bubble up and scatter all over. So once it's covered halfway, to allow air on the side so the moisture could escape. Alright, and then I'll show you when it's complete. If it needs anything in terms of sweetness or so, I'll let you know. But we don't want it to be too sweet. Alright, we want a little texture of sweetness, a little texture of spiciness, and a little texture of the spices. So I'll see you around the bend, and I'll let you know what I'm using it. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Wait, as a matter of fact, I may say it right now. You could use it on baked chicken as a glaze after the chicken is baked. But what I'm going to be using it on, first I'll show you what I'm using it with today. I'm going to spread it on there. it's ready, thick and nice. But remember, you have to keep stirring it occasionally to prevent it from sticking. Alright? Okay. Stay tuned for the continuation of what I'm going to do with it. Want to taste?
What is it?
Corn.
It's corn.
With the cheese. Check one. It's good, right? Roll it in the sauce. You want to roll it in the sauce? Come show them how you licking your finger.
No, I ain't doing that.
You don't want to do that, right? Dip it some more. I need a bib to eat this. I need a bib.
A baby? Oh.
What baby that?
I don't know.
Baby time for me is in the past. 30 plus years ago.
How many years?
30 plus years ago. You want the juice to fall down. Come on, help yourself.
Yeah, one at a time.
I'm a fast eater. I eat that corn from the core. Hey, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up.
This thing?
It's summertime. You're going to make...
Oh, you took the video here as well.
And you're going to make some of this corn. Any time of year. Frozen or fresh corn. And you got it. Share and subscribe. And come, let's dance.
Me?
Dance for me.